You know that feeling when you fire up your Silverado in the morning and it starts first try, even after 15 years and 200,000 miles? Yeah, maybe it's trying to tell you something. There are clear signs that your truck is going to outlast you. And it's not me saying this. It's mechanics with 30 years under their belt. Look, I spent the last 6 months interviewing mechanics who specialize in Silverados. People who've seen everything. Melted engines, fried transmissions, frames cracked in half. And you know what they all told me? That some Silverados simply refuse to die. And here's the kicker. You can tell early on which ones are going to be immortal. My grandpa had a theory. Trucks are like people, some are born to last, others ain't. He passed in 2019. His 2001 Silverado? Still running with a new owner. 297,000 miles. And before I show you these 7 telltale signs, if you're the type who'd rather have a battle-tested old Silverado than a brand new one full of electronics, go ahead and subscribe because here we appreciate what's real quality. Sign number 1. Engine sound is consistent at any temperature. This is the big one. Pay attention. Does your Silverado sound the same cold in the morning after running all day in the heat of summer hell? Congratulations, you've got an immortal. Joe Martinez, mechanic for 32 years in Texas, explained it to me. A good engine is a predictable engine. If the sound changes a lot with temperature, that's clearances, where problems coming. Engines that'll last forever maintain that deep, constant rumble. Doesn't matter if it's 10 degrees or 110 degrees. It's like an athlete's heartbeat. Always steady, always strong. Simple test. Start it cold. Listen for 30 seconds. Drive 30 miles, stop, and listen again while it's hot. If the sound is practically identical, celebrate. This engine's still gonna see your great-grandkids. Fun fact, the 2000 to 2006 5.3 Vortec is champion at this. I know one with 422,000 miles that still purrs like new. The owner? Changed wives twice, but never his Silverado. Sign number 2. Oil still golden after 2,000 miles. Now this one's controversial, but it's real. Pull the dipstick after 2,000 miles driven. Oil still honey-colored? You've got something special. Oil that turns black fast means blow-by, worn rings, incomplete combustion. Bob Richards told me, owns a diesel shop for 25 years in Wyoming. A healthy engine that'll last decades keeps oil relatively clean longer. Not saying crystal clear, but that golden brown, not coal black. My 2004 Silverado, 200k miles, the oil at 2,500 miles, you can still see through it. My brother-in-law's F-150 with 90k, black at 1,200 miles. Guess which one needs more repairs? Important detail, this only counts with quality oil. If you're using questionable gas station oil, forget this test. Sign number 3. Cold start in under 2 seconds, even in winter. Turn the key. 1, 2. Started? Then you've got a survivor. A good Silverado starts fast. Always. 20 below in Colorado? Starts. 115 degrees in Arizona? Starts. Sitting for 3 months? Starts. The secret's in perfect cylinder compression. Engine with good compression is an engine that'll last. Mike Patterson, fleet mechanic with 200 Silverados under his care, showed me the data. The ones that start in under 2 seconds easily hit 300k miles. The ones that struggle? Problems before 200k. Test it yourself. Cold morning, no pumping the gas, turn the key. Time it. Under 2 seconds? Your Silverado's gonna bury you. Oh, and if it starts first try even with a weak battery? Even better. That's a sign everything's perfect inside. Sign number 4, temperature always dead center, no matter what. Towing 510s? Temp in the middle. Climbing a mountain in 3rd? Temp in the middle. Stuck in Phoenix traffic in July? Temp in the middle. This is pure gold. Cooling system working perfectly is a sign the engine's been well cared for and will stay healthy. Marcus Thompson, Silverado Rally Prep Specialist, told me, when I see one that maintains stable temperature in any situation, I know I can trust it for the Mojave Desert. Why does this matter so much? An engine that always works at ideal temperature has minimal wear. Oil maintains viscosity, parts expand just right, perfect combustion. My favorite test, climb a steep grade with AC blasting, towing something heavy. If the needle doesn't move from center, you've got a Silverado your grandkids will fight to inherit. Sign number 5, automatic transmission shifts smooth as butter. Accelerate slowly. Shifts imperceptible? Punch it. Still smooth? Stop, reverse, back to drive. No clunks? Congratulations, that transmission will outlast the engine. The secret of immortal Silverado transmissions, preventive maintenance and proper use. A well-maintained 4L60E easily hits 400k miles, guarantees Pete Wilson rebuilding transmissions for 28 years. You know that jerk from first to second? Or that delay engaging reverse? Those are warnings. A Silverado with a healthy transmission shifts like it's sliding on butter. True story. Bought a 2006 with 175k miles. Previous owner was a retired trucker. Changed transmission fluid every 30k miles. Result? At 235k miles today, still shifts better than many brand new trucks. Sign number 6, suspension still tight, no noise over bumps. Hit a pothole. Silence. Take a turn. No squeaks. Brake hard. No dive. This Silverado's got plenty of road ahead. Good suspension on an old Silverado means careful owner. And careful owner means well-maintained engine, philosophizes Carlos Anderson, alignment tech for 35 years. It's simple. Whoever bothers replacing bushings, shocks, and doing alignments also changes oil on time, filters when due, belts preventively. The mall test, go over those speed bumps real slow. If nothing squeaks, you've got a gem. Sign number 7, mechanic offers to buy it every time you bring it in. This one's foolproof. Your mechanic always makes an offer when you come in for service? He knows something you might not. Mechanic C20, 30 vehicles a day. When he wants to buy yours, it's because he recognizes a rarity. A Silverado that was built on a good Monday, with premium batch parts, and cared for like it deserves. I've made offers on 3 Silverados in my life. All 3 are still running 10 years later, confesses Rick Davidson, mechanic in Denver. It's like a wine expert asking to buy that specific bottle from your cellar. He knows that vintage was special. If your Silverado has 4 or more of these signs, congratulations. You've got a machine that'll outlast you. Take good care of it, because they don't make trucks like this anymore. And if it has all 7, my friend, don't even think about selling. That's a family heirloom right there. Tell me in the comments, how many signs does your Silverado have? And if you know any other immortality signs I didn't mention, share with the crew. If this video helped you appreciate your Silverado even more, hit that like to help the channel. Next week, I'm showing the 5 worst Silverado years you should avoid at all costs. Spoiler, 2007 is on the list for a reason that'll surprise you. Until then, take care of your machine. Peace out.